In this video, we're going to learn about a different type of equation, something called standard form. So standard form looks like this. Okay, so if we're trying to graph, we need it to be solved for y. So it says, what if the equation isn't in slope-intercept form? Then we need to solve for y. Get y by itself, because we know that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. All right, so my first step is to always move the x. So I'm solving for y. Okay, and so I have a big 2x. The opposite of that is negative 2x. I can't combine these because this has an x and this does not, so I'm just going to copy it. And then this is 3 times y, so I'm going to divide it to get rid of it. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative 2 over 3 is just negative 2 over 3. All right, so now I'm going to rewrite this so that it looks like this with the x in front. So there's my equation. So now I can tell what my slope is, which is negative 2 over 3. I can tell my y-intercept, which is 2, and now I can sketch the graph. So a reminder from a previous lesson, in order to graph, we plot our y-intercept first, then use our slope to find a second point. So it says go down 2 and to the right 3. And now I can connect these 2 points, and that is the graph of this equation. Now, if they ask you to find the slope, all you need to do is solve for y. All right, so here I have a positive 3x, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Again, these can't be combined, so I'm just going to copy it. Then I'm going to divide by the number in front, which is negative 6. 12 over negative 6 simplifies to negative 2. Negative 3 over negative 6 simplifies to positive 1/2. Again, we want to rewrite it so that the x is in front. And then here's my slope, 1 over 2. All right, so same thing here, solve for y. We have this positive x, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. Y is now by itself, but again, we need x to be in the front. So we're going to rewrite it as negative x plus 2. And then there's no number in front, but there's no number in front, we write in a 1. So there's my slope, negative 1.